Feet together, hands together. Inhale, exhale, namaskara. Inhale, stretch arms and arch back. Exhale, bend forward. Inhale, right leg back. Hold the breath both. Exhale, knee, chest, forehead down. Inhale, head up, chest up. Exhale, hip up. Inhale, right leg forward. Exhale, both leg forward. Inhale, arch back. Exhale, namaskara. Inhale, down, namaskara. Arch back. Bend forward. Left leg back. Both leg back. Knee to show head down. Head up, chest up. Hip up. Left leg forward. Both leg forward. Arch back. Namaskara. Down.